following tutorial will take you through rigging process with Mixamo. Mixamo is an online auto rigging system made free by Adobe. It can be used to rig characters for different 3D applications, such as Unity, Unreal Engine, Blender, and so on. It works with multiple formats, such as FBX and OBJ. Let us get started. First,
open your existing character model in Blender software. Select the character and other accessories if any. Export your character model in FBX format. Open your browser and type
www.mixamo.com.
Log into the website using your Google account. Import your character mesh into Mixamo website rigger. Place the markers of the rigger onto the corresponding joints of your character mesh. Click Next to initialize the rigging process, which will take up to 2 minutes to complete. Wait for the character to be uploaded. Review your rigged character and click Next if you are satisfied, or click Back if you need to fix something.
You have successfully rigged your character.
Apply animations to your character. Download your character to your desktop. Import the FBX file into Blender. Have fun animating.
I hope that this tutorial has been very helpful. Please make sure to share your opinions via Google Meet, or use the class's WhatsApp group for discussions. Thank you. Have a good day.